We are shown a outside the office scene, where the boy says it's still raining. The girl replies, looks like the rainy season isn't over yet. The boy sighs, oh no. My summer. He turns to Hyun and says, let's go have a smoke for a minute. Then he continues, wait, didn't you say you quit smoking? Hyun laughs and says, yes. The boy turns to another guy and asks, until when? You are a deputy assistant manager. How long? The guy replies, why? Don't lead him into bad habits. Hyun agrees, yes, that's right. The boy says to Hyun, well, quitting smoking is a good decision. Smoking is dangerous and pointless. Hyun asks, if that is true, will you quit smoking too? I'm doing this alone. The boy laughs and says, I should go home before the rain gets heavier. The girl says to the guy, see you tomorrow. Hyun tells the guys, be careful on the road. Then he mutters to himself, unfortunate. I need to buy more nicotine patches. Later, Hyun goes to pick up Yuno. As he arrives, Hyun thinks, I have been thinking about this for days. I think Yuno must have seen it. He says, if you give me just a bit of trust, I will do anything. Last time, I show you that someone was asking for my number. Then he continue, I only borrow cigarettes, because I needed a lighter. Unfortunate, he continues, don't tell me you misunderstood, and thought I was teasing him, right? As soon as Yuno arrives, Hyun begins explaining, that day I just borrow a lighter from that woman. Yuno responds, suddenly. Hyun says, no, not that, Then he continue, I think there is a misunderstanding here. Hyun reflects, I have never shown you my good side, when it comes to love, oh God. But that doesn't mean I was just fooling around. Honestly, I only borrow a lighter that day. Yuno says, you two were talking about something together. Hyun responds, it was nothing, she just lent me his lighter. We made some small talk. Then Hyun thinks, why did this happen? It's not working. It's only getting messier. He wonders, how can I calm him down? Think, Jo Hyun. Yuno tells him, Hyun, you don't need to force yourself to quit smoking. He continue, just smoke instead of pretending to ignore your feelings. Then, while getting out of the car, he says, from the beginning, I felt weird when you suddenly agreed with me. Then Yuno exit the car. Hyun follows and pleads, don't do this. Let's talk for a moment. I really don't know why you are acting like this. If something's bothering you, just tell me. I will change. I will calm you down. Yuno replies, don't do this over something like that. Stop smoking, why are you making it such a thing? Just talk to some passerby. Why did you have to look at me like that? Because Hyun keeps looking at me that way, I keep hoping. I can't stop, even when I don't know what we are. But Hyun isn't dating me because he likes me. One day, the time will come when you leave me. Hyun says softly, I like. Yuno interrupts, you told me the truth. I like it, when you are honest and ask for something directly. I don't like it, when you force things. He turns to leave. Hyun calls out, where are you going? Yuno replies, I'm just taking a walk before I come inside. Hyun says, it's raining and dangerous. Yuno answers, dangerous. I'm not a high school student anymore. That was a long time ago. Go upstairs first. I will follow soon. Hyun goes inside. While freshening up, he looks out the window and wonders, when will he come back? It's raining heavily and Yuno is afraid of the rain. He glances at his phone. Should I call him? I did what you wanted. Why is this happening again? What should I do? Suddenly, his phone rings. He thinks, is it Yuno? But when he checks, the call is from Taeha, his ex-lover. Then we see the scene from Taeha's perspective. He says to himself, I'm just an ordinary guy, but I got so drunk. This alcohol must be really strong. Just then, Yoonkwon, who is Hyun's cousin, arrives. Yoonkwon says, CEO Lee, did you drink a lot? Taeha looks at him and replies, Team Leader Yoon. No, I'm fine. Do you want to have a smoke? Yoonkwon says, sure. But you don't smoke, right? I will go over there. Taeha says, you can smoke here. It's raining anyway. And, if you don't mind, could I have a cigarette? Yoonkwon gave him one. Taeha thanks him while returning the lighter. Then Yoon Kwon says, "Do you usually smoke? We have met so many times, but it feels like this is the first real conversation we are having." Taeha responds, "I turned off my phone. I just can't deal with things today. Maybe it's the drinking." Then Taeha continue, "You should call me writer instead of CEO." Yoon Kwon asks, "Why?" Taeha replies, "Being called CEO. I'm still not used to it. Sure, I represent the company on paper, but now I just want to focus on writing." Yoon Kwon says, "Sounds like you are feeling the pressure." Taeha nods, "Yes, it still feels unfamiliar." Later, some people leave the office together. As they walk out, a woman says, "I don't know if team leader Hong mentioned it or not, but I have already heard about a few places." Man replies, "Let's hurry up." Then woman said, "I didn't say anything earlier because nothing was confirmed. But if you look at this photo," they step outside and a girl sees Taeha and Yoon Kwon. She says, "Hey, CEO Lee. Team leader Yoon. Smoking here." Someone else comments, "Cigarette, huh?" Taeha and Yoon respond, "Team leader, Hwang Seo-young, and friend." They walk over to him. Taeha asks, "You guys heading home?" One of the women replies, "Yes, I have work tomorrow." "What about you? Taking a taxi?" Another says, "I have already called one." Someone else says, "I'm going with the assistant manager." Yoon says, "We will finish our smoke, then head out. Get home safe." They all respond, "You too. See you next time." Then Yoon Kwon turns to Taeha and asks, "So, writer, how are you getting home?" Taeha replies, "I will take a taxi." Yoon asks, "Where do you live? I will give you a ride, it's raining pretty hard." Taeha smiles politely and says, "It's okay. I can just grab a cab." Yoon nods, "All right then. See you at the next meeting." Taeha says, "Yes. Get home safe." Yoon walks away. Taeha then mutters to himself, "Did I just start something?" He sighs. Good grief. If even someone like that, an alpha, shows interest, shouldn't I be a little tempted? But instead of finding it exciting, he trail off, clearly deep in thought. The next day, we see a scene where Hyun drops Yuno off at work. As Yuno gets out of the car, he says, "See you later." Hyun responds, "Okay, let's go." Then he continue, "Where do I even start?" Hyun tells Yuno, "Taeha said he would come by after work today. There wasn't much to talk about, so I told him to meet me in front of the house. Of course, I won't invite him inside. But if it makes you uncomfortable, I will just meet him outside." Then he says, "Stop being so biased against Taeha." Yuno, clearly upset, replies while getting out of the car, "Don't ask me. Just do whatever you want. I'm leaving, I'm late." Then Hyun mutters to himself, seriously, he gets so stubborn and angry at times like this. Meanwhile, Yuno walks off thinking, "I told you yesterday not to worry about stuff like this. You are so stubborn." Later, we see Hyun at the apartment, talking to himself. Damn it, now he is rebelling, something he never even did in college. Then Hyun gets a text from Yuno, "I'm going to Mino's place." Hyun replies, "When will you be back?" Then he thinks, he can't focus on anything. He recalls yesterday's phone call, where Taeha had said, "When I was heading home, your place was on the way, so I figured I would stop by. Sometimes I finish work later than you." So, Hyun reflects, I shouldn't have let him come over, but it was hard to say no when he insisted. Then we see Hyun arrive at place. Taeha greets him with, "Hello, Young. You were already talking when I got here." Hyun responds, "What are you doing?" Then he say, "I didn't notice, sorry." Then Taeha asks, "Should I go?" "Only if you are okay with it, Young." But Hyun replies firmly, "Taeha, I think it's better if we stop meeting from now on. We already talked about this last time."